Now, in this second example we're looking at today with simultaneous equations, we've got a hardware store sells 3 litre paint for $15, 5 litre paint for $20. In one day, the store sells 71 litres of paint worth a total of $320. How many paint cans did the store sell? Alright, so we're going to make some equations from this, and so what we're going to do is look at the combinations here with that. So for 3 litres of paint, if we sell X of those, plus we sell the 5 litre lots of paint, we sell Y lots of those, that has to be equal to 71 litres. Now you get $15 for every one of X, you get $20 for every one of the Y cans, and that's got to be equal to $320. Alright, now I'm going to use, because we've got it in this form here, we're going to use the elimination method. My key thing here is I want to get two of these values exactly the same. Alright, and it doesn't matter which one it is. Alright, so I'll show you two techniques with this particular one. So if I was looking to get my x's the same, then what I'd do is times that by 5. Alright, so we're going to go this way over here. So we're going to get 15x plus 25y. Now 71 times 5, 70 times 5 is 350, and 5 times by 1 is 5. Alright, you could do that on your calculator, by the way. Plus 20y, and that's equal to 320. What that would mean when, if I take those two equations from each other, remember I should put a bracket around that, 15 take 15x is 0, 25 take 20y is going to be 5y, and 355 take 320 is 35. So therefore y is equal to 7. Okay, 35 divided by 5. Now, to work out what my other value is, 3x plus 5 times by 7 is equal to 71. So 3x is equal to 71. Now 5 times 7 is 35. Because we're doing plus 35, we have to take 35. So 71 take 35 is going to give me 36. And obviously the opposite of timesing by 3 is dividing by 3. So that's going to give me 12. So therefore we sell 7 lots of Y and 12 lots of things. Therefore we sell 19 cans of paint. Okay, so that's that first technique. Now, the other thing you may have decided to do, if we go this way, you might have decided to not times that one by 5, but you might have decided to cancel the y's. So you might decide that times that by 4. Okay, so if you did that, let's write this way. So that's going to be 12x plus 20y. Now 70 times 4 is 280, and 1 times 4 is 284. Right, and you're going to have 15y, and then you're going to have plus 20y equals 320. Alright, so now if I take that away there, I'm going to get 12x take 15x is going to be minus 3x. 20 take 20y is going to be 0. 284 take 20, now that's 16 to get to 300. That's going to be 36, and that's going to be minus, in other words, x is equal to 12. And then we can work out our y by substituting it back into the equation, and we're going to get y is equal to 7. Alright, so this is an example of, and seriously, I don't know why you do this, but it's an example of where we can use simultaneous equations to find the solution to something. Alright, so as I tried to show you here, it doesn't really matter which one you do. The main thing is that we want to, when we're doing this stuff, is we want to either cancel that with that, or we want to cancel the y with the y. As long as you times the whole equation by whatever it is, then everything works fine. Alright, so you've got some choice to make there with that.